How to make couple avatar in Snapchat. So this is a quick guide for you. So two things you need to have in order to enable this. First, you need to have Snapchat Plus. So it only works if you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber. So there you have it. Yeah, only that. But only you need to be Snapchat Plus subscriber. Your friend doesn't need to be. Your friend can be on a free Snapchat subscription. So okay, you did the first step. You upgraded. I'm a Snapchat Plus subscriber. If you like Snapchat, I think it's a pretty good deal. They're releasing a lot of new features, and especially a good deal if you just subscribe to yearly. It's like $29 or $30. You know, if you're constantly on Snapchat, it's definitely worth it. Just my opinion. So yeah, there you have it. The next step, you need to have your best friend. So this couple Bitmoji feature is only works with a best friend. So go to any friend and then pin as a best friend. And then you just pinned it and then filter out your top best friends. Go to your best friend's profile and then you will have couple Bitmoji here. So that's how it works. So yep.